Hey man, they had the value pack, and I even got beans with it too, man. They had awesome.
Yo, son! Yo, you sneezing all on my food!
My bad. I think I'm allergic to something in here.
Yo, man, you sneeze on my chicken, you gonna be allergic to my foot in your ass.
Hey, John, you know they say it's impossible to sneeze with your eyes open.
You know, Dave, I do remember reading about that when I was going to Harvard. We printed that in the Harvard Gazette.
Hey, I wonder what would happen if somebody sneezed with their eyes open.
What?
Hold him down, hold him down.
Breathe it in, baby.
Keep your eyes open.
Breathe it in, baby.
Okay, yo, he's about to sneeze. Yeah. He made toast.
And it got jelly inside. This is good, man.
Come on, Nick. You can do it. Yeah. Come on, Nick. Come on. Is there? Come on.
Oh. Oh, snap. He made a puppy, and it's cute too.
He got it. He got it.
Nothing happened.
It's a dud, man.
Wait a minute. What the hell? Oh, shit.